Hello everyone and welcome back again to this channel. So glad to see you. Now, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us. Thank you. Now, we're looking at how to export videos in Capcut PC. Now, you have finished editing your videos, you're ready to go, and you want to export them. I'm going to give you the steps on how to do that. But before we go there, make sure you carefully review your edited video in Capcut to ensure everything looks and sounds as intended. By using the preview button over here, you can see everything. Watch the video before exporting. Now once it's ready and you feel as if your video is perfect, if your video is perfect, then you can now export by clicking on the export button up here. Now when you click on this, you can save here. Next thing, you're going to do some settings. First of all, you have to put in the name of the video, then the location where you want the video to be exported to, choose it here, and then the resolution, which is very important. You must actually set the resolution you want. And the common options are, as you can see, 480, 720, 1080, 2K and 4K. We have etc, depending on the type of editing program you're using. Capcut, this is what I have. We're using Capcut Pro. I believe you have more than this. I've never used that before, so I will know. Now the next thing, you're going to choose the appropriate frame rate. That's over here. Frame rate, we have different. We have 24, 25, 29.97, 30, 50, 59.94 and 60. So you choose the appropriate one. The common one is this 30. It's 30. You can also adjust it based on your needs. The next thing you're going to do, output. Select the output format you want. Typically we use MP4, so you also have MOV, but the widely compatible format is MP4. Next, also adjust other settings like bit rates, lower, recommended, higher, custom. We also have the codec. So the codec is the most common compression method. We also have the efficient compression that helps to save space. We also have the efficient compression compatibility that also helps to save space. Choose any of the three you want depending on your preference. Now once you have done all this, you can also decide to export with the audio being separate. If you click this, you have a video and the audio together in one. You also have a separate audio file. So instead of downloading the video with the audio together alone, you have the video and audio together in one file, and another file containing only the audio. And you can also choose the format for the audio if you want MP4, WAV, AC or FLSC. So that way you have a video file separate, MP4 file, also have an MP3 file separate. So that's it. You can also export as a GIF by clicking on this. You export as a GIF if you want. So that's it. Then once you've done that, don't forget your save location over here. Save location, you can click here the folder to see where it's going to go to, and then you can click here. Okay, you can't edit it here, you have to change here. Once you change it here, it gets edited here by itself. So once you through every single thing, then you click on export. So it will start rendering the process, and once it's through, you can monitor the progress bar to track the export status. And then once it's through, you can locate the exported video in the chosen save location. Share your video on various platforms like YouTube, social media, or other online platforms. Now let me give you some tips. If you're uploading to a specific platform like YouTube or TikTok, consider their recommended export settings for optimal playback and quality. If you also, after exporting, play the video on the intended device or platform to ensure it plays correctly and looks as you expected. Don't forget to experiment with different export settings to find the best balance between quality and file size. By following these steps, you can successfully export your edited videos from Capcut PC and share them with the world. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.